Imagine being able to confidently apply for your perfect job, knowing that you've got a first-class CV, an engaging cover letter, and the job interview skills to back it all up. I'm Katie from Employability Plus, a 5-day course that could really change your life. Together with CV and career expert Mark Anderson, we'll teach you the interview techniques and secrets that will get you hired. The course, tailored to your needs, is delivered in our training centres with the expert support of our experienced trainers. We'll begin by using the latest technology to find out exactly what type of job would suit you best, based on your personality, skills, and experiences. We'll then look for a live job that you can apply for. But did you know that a single job advert can easily receive over 100 applications? That's why you're going to learn exactly what recruiters and hiring managers want and don't want to see in an application, so yours will be the one that stands out. Using the latest easy-to-use digital CV technology, you'll then have the chance to create a winning CV and cover letter specifically targeted towards your live job, leaving you in a position to confidently apply for jobs that really interest you and giving you the best chance to secure an interview, which is why you'll also learn everything you need to know about mastering job interviews. So come along to the Employability Plus course and take a step closer towards getting the job that's right for you.